Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to blur a video on Capcut. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the Capcut application. Click on new project. Then search through your project and then select the video you want to blur. So in this case, let's say this is the video. Click on add. Then once you click on add, for you to blur part of this video, what you need to do is select the video once to highlight the video just like this. Once the video is highlighted, swipe through to the tail end of the page. Just keep swiping, locate and click on mask. Then hang on. Then it should say 4 options available. Then select the mask type you want to use. So if the place you want to blur is circle, select circle. If it's rectangle, if it's horizontal or mirror. So here I'm going to go with rectangle. So select rectangle. Then it should sit like this. Now just drag this to wherever you want to block. Then outside of this box will be blocked. Now to only block inside of the box, just click on invert at the bottom left. Then it should say inside of the box blocked. Click on invert again to unblock inside of the box. Then you can use this to adjust the size of the blur or use this to make it more fader or visible. Then go ahead and click on check. Then it should say that particular place blur or covered in the video. So instead of you to use the blur option on effect, you can basically use this to blur your video on Capcut. So that's what I prefer to use often instead of using the blur effect. So this can easily blur unwanted part of my video. Then you can now go ahead and click on export and then you're good. So that's exactly how to blur a video on Capcut. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.